My last video was pretty popular, so I'm making another video of every house that's getting ripped down and renovated in this neighborhood. Completely renovated, ripped down, put up a pretty huge house. Ripped out this house. Ripped out this house. Starting the renovation. Demolished this house and built this house. Really nice. Fully renovating this house. Adding on a ton. Then there's one house that they're not touching. Oh my gosh. Then fully renovating this house. Been working on it for a while. It was a tear down. Just got finished with that probably 6 months ago. Tear down. Just finishing up this. Getting ready to tear that down. Anytime you see the black fence, that's a tear down. Tear down. New build. New build. New build. New build. New build. New build.